If you are wondering if iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max have dual SIM, then the answer is most of the time, unfortunately, no. So in most cases, you will find just one SIM card slot. So you cannot use more than one physical SIM cards. For example, if you live in Europe, or matter of fact, in most of the places in the world, then you can use eSIM as well. If you live in the United States, you do not have SIM cards at all, and you can only use eSIMs. And in the case of Europe, for example, we have one SIM card slot. And if you live in China, you actually have dual SIM. You do have two SIM card slots available on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, but you don't have eSIM in that case. So to summarize, if you live in China, you have two SIM card slots, you have dual SIM, but you don't have eSIM. If you live in the United States, you do not have physical SIM card slots, but you have eSIMs. And anywhere else, you have one physical SIM card slot. You can use Nano-SIM, and in addition to that, you can use eSIM as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.